Good day, I am Sean Xavier Herrera and I am with my co-authors Gabriel Lim and Phoebus Ridge Cruz. We are to present our research entitled Selection of Suitable Soil Moisture Sensor for Clay Soil.
Precision agriculture depends on precise measurement of the volumetric water content of the soil. This study examines the applicability of five distinct types of soil moisture sensors for the best agricultural application on clay soil. As precision agriculture develops, it is imperative to improve the accuracy of BWC measurement since sensors supply critical information for distance sensing and data assimilation. This study investigates how various soil moisture sensors could improve precision farming by providing precise readings appropriate to certain soil types and taking into account the differences in soil needs among crops. The knowledge gathered from this research will not only advance scholarly understanding but also provide useful suggestions for agricultural practitioners looking for the best soil moisture management techniques for their particular soil conditions. There is still a large research gap in spite of a thorough assessment of a soil moisture sensors across various soil types. Prior studies have primarily compared inexpensive resistive and capacitive soil moisture sensors, ignoring other widely available sensor varieties. With the development of new sensors and the ongoing improvement of old ones, soil moisture detection technology is continually evolving. It is important to remember that tests on various soil types have not yet been conducted on various soil moisture sensors. Therefore, more investigation is needed to evaluate the performance and usability of various sensor types over various soil types.
For the objective, this study aims to select the optimal soil moisture sensor suited for clay-based soil. Specifically, it aims to first assess the performance of five distinct soil moisture sensors across a range of volumetric water content or VWC levels in clay soil. And second is to analyze and compare the linearity, accuracy, and precision exhibited by each of these sensors.
The framework utilizes sampling of clay soil samples with varying VWC values. Five clay soils are placed in a 12-ounce cup for each VWC level. The levels are 0%, 5%, 10%, 20%, and 30%, with 5 trials each. The input also includes three types of resistive soil moisture sensors: FC28, CEN0114, and CEN13637, and two types of capacitive soil moisture sensors: CEN0193 and STEMA. Clay samples are prepared by calculating the mass of moist soil for each VWC level. Furthermore, after fully mixing the soil, data will be collected and tested for linearity, accuracy, and precision. The findings of this study reveal the soil moisture sensors most suited for clay soil applications. The following figure shows the five sensors used in the study: FC28, CEN0114, CEN13637, CEN0193, and STEMA.
In this slide, we have the equations used for our methodology. Equation 1 was used to determine the mass of wet soil by setting theta V to a fixed value of BWC. It can either be 5, 10, 20, or 30%. Equation 2 is the sensitivity equation and equation 3 is the linear regression. These two equations are generated from the raw readings of each sensor. They will determine the linearity and accuracy of each sensor. On the right side of the screen, we can see each parameters used: MS, MD, PD, SPW, NS, M, and B. Up next are the last two equations used on the research. Equation 4 is the VWC computation based on the actual raw data from the sensor. This is the measured VWC across the 5 trials. It uses sensitivity, slope, and intercept values. Lastly, we have equation 5. This is the accuracy formula that will determine how accurate the sensor is in determining a specific VWC level. A value closer to 1 means an accurate reading.
The circuit diagram is straightforward: an Arduino Uno, soil moisture sensors, and a laptop. These components are connected using jumpers. The entire circuit is powered directly by the laptop for operation.
Now, proceeding to the result and discussion of the research. This table presents the reading of the 5 soil moisture sensors on clay soil with varying BWC levels from 0, 5, 10, 20, and 30. Calculating the mean of these trials is essential for both accuracy computation and standard deviation analysis. Deviation values serve as indicators of the sensor's precision in measuring the BWC, where low deviation signifies high precision, and conversely, high deviation indicates lower precision. This is the second part of the table wherein STEMA readings on clay soil yielded mean values of 659.73, 679.36, 720.83, 829.49, and 964.90 from 5 trials respectively. Deviations were observed to be 0.4 for 0%, 0.46 for 5%, 1.39 for 10%, 0.45 for 20%, and 1.57 for 30%. Upon examining the collected data and deviation values, STEMA's reading indicates high precision and reliability as it exhibits consistently low deviation values, each remaining below 2, while the rest exhibits high values for its deviation. Therefore, we can say that in this experiment, STEMA excelled by having the lowest deviation value, indicating its precise measurement of BWC readings.
The figure illustrates the graphs depicting the 5 soil moisture sensor readings across the 5 trials, ranging from 0% to 30% BWC. Graphs were separated as each sensor has a distinct reading value ranging from dry soil to wet soil. The bullets represent the data points of the 5 trials and the mean, and the linear and polynomial regression line are generated based on the mean values to further analyze the sensor data regarding the linearity and variability. The sensitivity equation along with the linearity is generated from the linear regression graph, while polynomial regression equation and its determination coefficient is also obtained. Linear and polynomial regression on each sensor is shown side by side to observe linearity and variability on its data. In our screen, the linear and polynomial regression analysis on the FC28 data on clay is shown, as well as the SEN 0193. Here is the linear and polynomial graph of STEMMA and the SEN 0114 on clay soil. And lastly, we have the linear and polynomial graph for SEN 13673.
Proceeding to the second table, this table is the soil moisture sensitivity and linearity on clay soil. This illustrates the sensitivity equation generated from the reading of each soil moisture sensor, which serve as the calibrated formula integrated into the sensor deployment program. The raw mean data obtained from the sensor constitutes the Y parameter, while X represents the VWC. Utilizing this equation, the formula for VWC is derived and subsequently implemented in the program. The linearity of readings of each soil moisture sensor is also presented in the table, which indicates the conformity of the readings. The acceptable linearity value is above 90% as presented in equation 3. Moreover, both SEN0193 and STEMMA demonstrate a high degree of conformity as evidenced by their linearity equations, surpassing the acceptable range. Conversely, FC28 and SEN0114 slightly fall short of the acceptable range, indicating some degree of unreliability. Furthermore, SEN13637 shows a low degree of conformity with its linearity falling below the acceptable range. An examination of the table reveals that this sensor exhibits the lowest conformity among all sensors, rendering it unsuitable for clay soil moisture sensing. In contrast, STEMMA exhibits the highest R-squared value of 97.67%, indicating an exceptional strong linear relationship between the sensor reading and the VWC levels. Its reading closely follow a linear pattern corresponding to changes in VWC levels. Consequently, this high level of linearity suggests that STEMMA provides the most accurate and reliable readings for clay soil moisture sensing among all sensors tested, making it the optimal choice for application requiring accurate monitoring and management of clay soil moisture levels.
Table 3 shows the equation as well as determination and coefficient of sensor data obtained in the polynomial regression analysis. It is evident that the data of all sensors except FC28 fits the model well. This proves that variability in data among the sensors across VWC levels.
And for the last part of the result and discussion, we have table 4. This table demonstrates the accuracy of the computation of the 5 soil moisture sensor on clay soil. The measured sensitivity S was derived from the mean column of table 1. Moreover, measured VWC values were derived from equation 4, utilizing slope and intercept parameters obtained from the sensitivity equation of each sensor. Accuracy values were calculated using equation 5 by comparing experimental VWC with the measured VWC. The accuracy values for FC across the different levels are as follows: 1.71, 0.46, 0.73, and 0.95. For SEN 0193 are as follows: 1, 0.73, 0.55, 0.88, and 1. Furthermore, for STEMMA are as follows: 1, 0.84, 0.82, 0.93, and 0.95. For SEN 0114 are as follows: 1, 0.79, 0.67, 0.74, and 0.85. And lastly, for SEN 13637 are as follows: 1, 0.37, negative 1.61, negative 0.39, and 0.08. Upon analyzing the data, it is apparent that STEMMA has the highest accuracy value, averaging 90.8%. This shows that STEMMA outperforms other sensors on clay soil based on its accuracy. Upon analysis, it is apparent that STEMMA outperforms other sensors in terms of accuracy, linearity, and reliability across different VWC levels. The superiority is particularly evident in the graphs as well as the accuracy computation, where STEMMA consistently display the highest level of linearity and accuracy. Considering these findings, STEMMA emerges as the optimal choice for soil moisture sensing in clay soil environments. In conclusion, this research represents a significant advancement in leveraging low-cost soil moisture sensor technology within the agricultural industry, particularly in precision farming applications. The study effectively identifies the most suitable soil moisture sensor for clay soil applications among the 5 variants tested. STEMMA emerged as the optimal choice based on the results. The findings reveal a linear sensitivity equation with an impressive R-squared of 97.67%, with readings consistently falling within the 5% margin of error. It also showed low deviations within the range of 0 to 1.5, indicating high precisions in reading. Notably, the sensor could accurately measure changes in soil moisture with an average accuracy of 90.8% across the 5 BWC levels tested. STEMMA outperforms other sensors in terms of accuracy, linearity, and precision across different VWC levels, and it emerges as the optimal choice for soil moisture sensing in clay soil environments.
STEMMA is a suitable sensor for monitoring soil moisture in clay soil environments, particularly in controlled agricultural settings like urban farming. However, for accurate soil moisture assessment across an entire agricultural field, it is imperative to deploy soil sensors extensively and test multiple soil samples to account for any heterogeneity within the soil. This ensures that the sensitivity equation is calibrated appropriately and remains effective for soils with similar characteristics to those used in the calibration process. And that's it for our recommendation. And that is all for our research presentation.